Bitcoin holders, this will shock you. It's a very urgent update. Yes, my friend, make sure to watch that very urgent update today. As you see, guys, the daily candle here, it finished. That Monday candle, people being with me, they know what it meant Monday candle. That meant the market is going to do the opposite of it for all the week. But there is nothing confirmed yet. Also, we're still waiting the Bitcoin to come to break for us that 99k. If that doesn't happen, that means there is nothing, guys, and that 99k, it's being the top of that bull cycle. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, we don't see your support the past days, so please, if you find the content of us valuable and you're watching us every day, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin and what you're thinking. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we haven't entered any trade, guys. Yesterday we entered that long, it's hitting for us the first take profit. Market falling down because also we move stop loss to entry point. He kicked us out. Fair enough, we don't lose, we make money. Today we miss an entry long because the market it moved when us we haven't been available. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. You click at it, you're going to land here, you click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. Now, of course, if you are interested and if you're facing any problem, my friend, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord and even in the free Telegram, and we're going to solve it for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. Well, guys, as I told you that the daily candle here, it closed there, but it couldn't break for us the lower of that inside bar as we said before. That means there is nothing yet, as we still waiting. But me, I'm waiting that top here of 99k and that low here of 91k exactly here. So we need to see what's going to happen in the coming days. If the Bitcoin breaking above here 99k, it means the boost is still more powerful. If we break a lower here, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down, guys. That's my view personally, but we got something extra here today in daily. Let me show it to you. What I want to show you, guys, look with me here. That daily candle, it fall down, it touch for us the 20 moving average. Now what we need to wait, we need to wait to see if today candle going to come and to close above that level here. If that happen, going to be very, very, very bullish sign. But we need to have a new high, guys, because if you're looking with me here, that's a high, a low. So now we need to have a new high higher than that 99k if also we are going to still in an uptrend. If that doesn't happen, it's bad for Bitcoin, guys. And we got something else here in daily, guys. Let me show it to you. What we got here in the daily, guys, we got a divergence here in the RSI in daily. If you're looking with me here to the one here and the one down here, you got a divergence, guys. You see it or no? Not only that, we got even another divergence here. Is it the one here? So you need to be careful, guys, in the coming days what's going to happen. The only thing now, if you're looking us here in the RSI, I'm talking here about normal RSI, you are too close to touch that uptrend. That uptrend here in the chart is going to be like that if you bring it from here, but you will not connect it from down here. Still far away from it, but here in the RSI we are very close to touch it. So you need to be careful what's going to happen down here in the RSI. Either we're going to break it, that means Bitcoin is going to fall down, guys. Second scenario, we're just going to touch it in the Bitcoin to give us a new high. Even that one it's possible. So what we need to do those days case, we need to wait till the right time, guys. I think I explained everything to you. Now, let's go into see liquidity heat map plus Bitcoin ETF. So let's go in there to see it together. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map. They look like we got some short stop losses here in the top. And my view personally, that way me I told you, maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin going to hit those ones here again. Like how I told you here, it went to hit those ones. That one here, me I don't put any video about it, but it fell down, it hit them. Same thing now, that what it's going to do is going to hit all those stop losses here. And you're going to see it, guys, tomorrow when we're going to come to the video, because if you're looking down here, yes, we got even for long some stop losses, but compared to the short they are more than the long, guys. That way me I thinking the Bitcoin is going to hit all of them. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. Today what happened, we don't got all the data, but it's okay. We're going to analyze what we have now. Our friend Grayscale, they sold 288 Bitcoin today. BlackRock, they bought 3.47k. Fidelity, we don't got the data of them. ARK Investment, they bought 176 Bitcoin. BITB, they haven't sold, they haven't bought. Bitco, we don't got the data. That BRRR, they bought plus 709 Bitcoin. EasyBC, they bought 57 Bitcoin. And Grayscale Mini, they bought 65 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought today plus 4.19k BTC, guys. I think I explained everything. Big whales, they keep on buying. That means there is no selling. Them defend it as an opportunity to buy again. And retails, they wanted to dump. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the coming news of today. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, as you see that the news we got today, we got something special today. We just got the jolt. The jolt, as I told you about the unemployment rate, which is coming that week. We explained everything in yesterday's video. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day here in that channel. As you see it, guys, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP500, Nasdaq and the SP500, they close Monday candle green. Dow Jones closed it red, but the common things between all of them, there is no volume today. That way me I don't give any signal to enter in options. Down here, our friend, the VIX, as you see it, we are too close to the top, guys. I'm talking here about the stock market, 13.34. If you are a long-term holder in the stock, try to take some of the profit. We are very close to the top, but it's up to you, my friend. As you see it, 13.34. Oh, there is nothing to be worried about if you are going to hold it for long term. There is no fear, there is nothing to make you worried about. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin it keep on try to giving us here like a head and shoulder here. Also we show it to you before, but every time he tried to make it more clear here. If we're breaking down here, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping again, guys. We're talking about that before, and look at it now. What shall we do? Shall we sell our Bitcoin? You can sell a little bit percentage like 10, 20%, 25%. So if it goes more higher, fair enough, you're going to have extra Bitcoin. If it falls down, you make some of the profit, and the 25% you can buy it down in a discount. But it's up to you, my friend. That's just my view. Now here, me personally, I'm focused about that one here. If the Bitcoin going to fall down to break that double top here, if that happen, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping again, guys. But watch me, I got here in 12 hours. The levels I showed it to you before, and it's okay. We told you that level here of 95,823, that one above here, 102,603, and that one here, 90,808. So those was the levels you need to look close at them. Plus one very important is it, that one here, the 50 moving average is exactly at 92,003 or 92,003 or 92K. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum because we've got a lot of things to discuss about Ethereum. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. Here in the Ethereum in the weekly, as you see it here in front of you. Also here we are in the weekly chart. Here in the weekly chart we got something very important, guys. That's why me I bring it here. We got a triangle here as you see it, or a very stronger level. We just touch it today. Now if you are a long-term investor in the Ethereum, people they been with us, they been buying from down here. Now they're making very nice profit. Sometimes you need to learn not to be too much greedy. That's my view personally, guys. At that level here, you need to sell at least 25% of your Ethereum, because there is one of two, guys. Ethereum from here going to break, and we're going to see the Ethereum going more higher. The first scenario. Second scenario is going to happen like how it happened here, and from here it's going to fall down to touch the lower here. So you need to be careful, guys, what's going to happen here in the top here of that very long term triangle here. That the only things, no, there is more things in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Here in 4 hours, guys, the Ethereum tried to give us here a price action here, as you see it here. Try to give you here like a cup and handle here. Now if it's breaking down here, that means also we are going to go back down to that level here of 3,240. That if we're breaking down here, that the first scenario. Second scenario, you can come to that last high here, that one, and you waited if the Ethereum going to break the last high for you to go more long with it. I think we explained those things a lot. Plus we show you even here, you got here like a triangle here, or a wedge, or name it whatever you want. Names doesn't matter. Even the one you waited where it's going to be broken. If we're breaking down here, you can catch a short. If you're breaking above here, you can enter along. And I'm sorry again, guys, for my voice. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, here in the Ethereum, we still have here a very clear divergence here in the Ethereum. You see it? Should we enter a short? Not yet. Also, we still only in a place where is the bulls they controlling, so there is nothing telling us we need to enter a short. Actually we fall down with touching that wall here. Now let's see if the Ethereum going to give us a new high higher than the previous one. Even that one is possible, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, we got many things here in that level where we are. We got a price action here, as you see it here. We got like a small head and shoulder here in 4 hours, guys. If we break in that low here, we are going to fall down again to 91k if that happen. And if we fall down to 91k, also we are going to fall down again to 70k or something like that. We need to be careful, guys, what's going to happen in the coming days. I told you that. Another very important thing, guys, that one is very important here. For long we need to come to break that last high here, that the head and shoulder me I show you in yesterday. We haven't break it in the neckline yet, so there is nothing. And me I show you all those things before, and I told you came down here and you draw in here like a triangle here and above here like that, and you wait in the real breakout where it's going to be. You break in here more long. If we're breaking down here, you need to enter a short at this time where we are. What we got, let me show you something very important, guys. Look at it, guys. Also we are now in a sideways level. That means there is no volume, and all the investors, they are waiting the Bitcoin to come back to break again that 99k. If that doesn't happen, that means there is no real moves, guys. And even those moving averages, look at them, what they're telling you. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now what we need at least the volume to come to push higher, because now there is no volume, so you need to wait to see the right direction. I think I explained everything there is going to see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin. Even our indicator, guys, it entered to that zone, also we call it no trading at that time. And I show you even here in 4 hours, guys, I show you here, that one here, I told you guys, we got here the divergence downtrend here. It need to be broke. Till now we couldn't break it, and every time we touch it in the chart, it falls down. Now what we need the break to happen for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. If we haven't break it, that means there is a correction going to happen, guys. I think I explained everything to you. Now we're going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday video I show you here that uptrend here, and I told you if you want to enter a short, you waited to be broke here for you to enter a short. Me those days I don't enter short, that way me I don't enter that short with it. If you enter a short will dive you take profit to be down here, and it hit it exactly. That the long me I told you from here till above here, also we miss it because I have been sleeping at that time. I came from the market here. Someone he asked me, can I enter a long now? I told him no, it's too dangerous now, and that's what happened. Look at it, it fell down very sharp. Now what we need to do, we need to wait to see the clear direction, guys. At this time there is no real direction, it's only manipulation and market makers they playing together here. That's why there is no real move those days, and that's why me I told you if you don't know what you're doing, avoid day trading those days. If you want to do it with professional people and you want to make money, you can join our VIP Discord where we're given there day trading signals, but it's up to you, my friend. If you want to do it by yourself at this time, here there is a small double bottom here, but it's not yet breaking the neckline. Plus there is a downtrend here as you see it here. So even that one, it needs to be broke for you to know the market is going to go more higher, guys. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here. Our indicator, as you see, it touch here extreme oversold area. Plus that one here, you got a divergence, very clear divergence as you see it, guys. Should we enter a long? This time there is no long, guys. Also we are in the middle here, and we need that one at least to come to the place where is the bulls they control. If there is no bulls yet, that means there is no entry long, and we need to wait in that one here till it enter to the place where is the bulls they controlling. I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, if you found the content also give you valuable and you understand the right direction based on our analysis, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video with your friend and your family. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.